Ready to witness the fastest land predator in action? Today, we're reacting to a jaw-dropping chase featuring the cheetah, an animal that turns every hunt into a race against time. Look at that burst of acceleration. From 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars. But it's not just speed. Watch how it shifts weight mid-stride, turning without losing control. Those muscular hind legs? Built like springs. Its flexible spine stretches and contracts like a whip. That's what gives it that incredible range of motion. But here's the catch. The cheetah can only sprint for about 20 to 30 seconds before overheating. If it misses the kill, it's not just a failed hunt, it's a huge energy loss that could take hours to recover from. So every chase is high risk, high reward. That's why cheetahs often stalk prey to get within 100 meters before striking. Check the tail. It's acting like a rudder, helping the cheetah balance and steer at insane speeds. And its claws? Unlike most cats, cheetahs don't retract them. Think of them like cleats on a track runner. This is evolution perfected for speed. But speed isn't everything. Cheetahs lose up to half their kills to lions and hyenas. Want to learn how they adapt to survive? Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next hunt breakdown.